I am Peyton from Sandy, Oregon, and I won Prime Driven's giveaway 316. I first found Prime Driven in an ad on Facebook Marketplace. I was looking for a motor for my Nissan Y60. I entered the giveaway because I like GDM cars. Originally, I was looking at a new car for like a Nissan Stega or something similar, and then I saw the giveaway for a Silvia, and paired with the timeliness and limited entries, I thought I actually had a chance to get it. I really got into cars from games like Need for Speed and Forza, but I remember driving a friend's car around a field, an old beat up Honda, and just as fast as that car could limp around, and that want to go fast has never really left. I got the email saying that I had won a giveaway from Prime Driven, and first I didn't even think it was real. I've gotten plenty of emails saying that I've won something in the past and always been scams and such. It wasn't until a few hours later that I remembered that I had entered a giveaway and that I should probably finish reading that email. And I started emailing Eric, and I'll be honest, I still don't think part of me has accepted that I did win. I do know the first place I'm going to take the car is to the DMV. Other than that, I really don't have much of a victory lap planned. Mostly just going to be going wherever the wind takes me. I just want to say thanks to Prime Driven, and I can't wait to get behind the wheel.